I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Mailercloud. Give here the API key, so click on Visit here. Create API key. Give here the API name. Generate key. Copy the API key from here and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Select contact type. Map the respective fields. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to the Mailercloud. And you can see the data came successfully in Mailercloud. Thanks for watching.